In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove watermark in Canva. So the only way to remove the watermark from Canva is to purchase the image that is not part of Canva free. I'm going to show you how to do that. So click on the image and you will see a little box here that says remove watermarks. Click on that and click on the hamburger menu. Now click on the Purchase Pro content and choose your payment method. Now you may also try using free trial for 30 days. Go back and choose Try Canva Pro for free. Now you may choose your plan here, either yearly or monthly. But you can also choose to pay just one time, either 1 week or 1 day. After you have purchased, you will no longer see the watermark in these images. You will also have access on Canva's premium tool, such as downloading with transparent background, magic eraser, background remove, generating AI, and a lot more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.